welcome.
Okay, so Liz, so do you know, we are Eternal Bliss Alloy Casting and Forging Company, yes? So normally we call ourselves as,
EB China.
yes, okay. So Liz, where are we located?
We are located in Wuxi, Jiangsu province, about 150 kilometers far from Shanghai. So most of goods will be shipped from Shanghai.
Yes, from Shanghai Port or Shanghai Pudong International Airport, yes. Okay, so yes, so Liz, what's the registered capital of EB China, our company?
The registered capital of EB China is about 13.14 billion China yuan.
Chinese yuan. Okay, good. So, do you know how long have been the good supplier of Alibaba International?
It has been more than 6 years.
Yes, 6 years. Yes. Okay. So actually, most of our business are transacted on Alibaba International online. So do you know what's the total online turnover for EB China on Alibaba International?
It's about 3 million US dollars.
Okay, great. So actually, we have been the good supplier of Alibaba International for more than 6 years. So every year, yes, QV will come to our company, yes.
So far, TUV has come to our foundry to do the on-site assessment in the recent 2 years.
Okay, so Liz, we specialize in high wear, heat, and corrosion, wear-resistant castings, yes, and forgings. So, certificates are very important for us, yes.
Yeah.
Okay, so now we'd like to take this opportunity to show all our important certificates to our friends here, okay?
Okay, I'll tell you 3 certificates. One is ISO 9001 Quality Management System Certificate.
Yes, just this one. Okay, please, you can come here. Okay, camera here. Let's show. Okay, so this certificate, this is
Quality Management System comply with GPT 9001,
yes.
2060, ISO 9001, 2015 requirements.
Yes, this certificate is valid for the following scope.
Supply of the alloy casting and forgings.
Yes. Also, you can find our certificate number and
certificate date.
Yes, certificate valid date and
the date of initial certification.
Yes. Also, you can find our unified social
credit code of the certified origin
organization. Yeah, on this certificate. So everything is shown clearly on our certificate. Yes. Okay. So this is ISO 9001 certificate. Okay. Let's take the second one.
The second one is ISO 14001 Environment Management System Certificate. Okay.
Okay, this one.
Yes. I will show you.
Okay.
This one is Environmental Management System comply with GPT 24001 and 2016 ISO 14001 and 2015 requirements. The certificate is valid for the follow scope. Supply of the alloy casting and forgings and sites.
Yes. Also, you can find our
Certificate number and the certificate date. Certificate valid date of the initial certification.
also
The Unified Social Credit Code of the certified organization.
yes, on this certificate. Also, you will note that this certificate was issued by IAF and CNAS. Okay. Thank you. Let's take the third one.
The third one is the ISO 45001 occupational health and safety management system certificate.
Okay, just this one. Okay. So
You can
yeah. Yes.
This certification is occupational health and safety management system of comply with GBT 45001 and 2020 ISO 45001 and 2018 requirements. The certificate is valid for the following scope: the supply of the alloy casting and forgings and sites.
Yes. Also, we can find our
Certificate number, certificate date, certificate valid date, and date of the initial certification. And also unified social credit code of the certified organization.
yes. Also, for this certificate, just was issued by CNAS organization. Okay. Thank you.
Thank you.
Please, we have been the good supplier of Alibaba. So we'll take this opportunity to show our friends here our Alibaba certificate. Okay.
Okay.
So this one is
The verified supplier certificate.
yes. This certificate was issued by TUV. Yes, TUV. Yes. So on this certificate, you can find that
An on-site assessment of the following errors and conducted by the TUV representative.
yes, you can find our company overview.
And current export situation and quality assurance certification and photos.
Yes.
Just human resources and export business capacity
Yes.
and complete development and expansion plans and company and product samples.
Yes. Also, you will note that this validity is from 2020 September 16th to this year. Yes. 2021 September 15th. Yes. Okay. So this is TUV issued the Alibaba certificate. Also, we have SGS also came to us to do the on-site assessment every year. So we also would like to show this certificate to all of our friends here. And you will see, this is a audited supplier certificate. Also, you will also find our English company name, Wuxi Internal Bliss Alloy Casting and Forging Company Limited. Also, you will find this, SGS audited us on last year, June 15th. Yes.
And
Yes.
audit report is
Serial number.
number
Yeah, QIPAS I 204795. Yes. Okay, so this is SGS and Made in China issued the certificate to us. Okay. Okay, so yes, we have introduced many different important certificates. Yes. Okay, so but EB China not only just focus on manufacturing, marketing, all the high alloy castings and forgings. Also, we pay much attention to our research and development of new materials, including the metal materials and ceramic materials. Yes. So now we'd like to take this opportunity to introduce our trademarks and our patents. Yes. So Liz, so far, how many patents we have?
We have 22 patents.
Okay, so now let's
Saved.
yes, we will show you. Okay, so this is a trademark registration. Yes, this is for this brand, 千百科技. For this one, okay. The second one is our trademark is for EB Weld. We also specialize in providing the welding consumables, including welding rods, welding wires, and welding powder. The third trademark is for EB bolt. Also, we also specialize in supply of many different high-strength bolts. Okay, the first one, the trademark is for 千百柱段, in Chinese brand. Okay. This is the fifth one. Fifth one is for
EB casting.
EB casting. This is our trademark. Yes. So most of you know that we specialize in high alloy castings. So this is also our trademark. Okay, now this is our computer software copyright certificates. This one is for our heat treatment temperature control system. This one is for our middle frequency melting furnace, also temperature control system. This is our heating furnace temperature control system. This one is for our cooling facility remote control platform. This is for our for metal, also cooling smart temperature control system. All these software are related to our production process. Okay, this is our patent. This patent is for our corrosion resistant bolts and washers. Okay. So this patent is for our wear resistant lift bar parts. This one is for our cold mill combined self-fastened mill liners. This one is for our cobalt alloy split rings. This one is for EPC cast sand flasks. This one is for heat treatment, heat resistant material trays. This one also for heat treatment material trays for our heat treatment furnaces. This one for high strength and high toughness lift bars. Okay, this patent is for material handling baskets. so many patents, totally 22. Okay, this one is for our special aluminum castings. Yeah, this is the invention patent. It's for our heat treatment process for our high and middle carbon alloy steel. Yes, double media quenching heat treatment process.
The 3D patent.
Okay, this one is for the for plant forms, for machining the threads of tubes. Yeah, this one is also for our metallurgical waste gas treatment system. Okay, the last one is for mining lift bars. This is our one of very resistant products. Okay, so all these are our patents. Yes. Okay. Yes. So my dear friends, if you are interested in our high alloy castings and forgings, especially the wear, heat, and corrosion resistant castings, please feel free to follow our shop on Alibaba. Yeah, Alibaba. Also, you can send us any inquiries about your requirements online on Alibaba or send us your emails. Yes, you are always welcome. Also, Liz, we also
We are the member of the Wuxi Commerce Chamber. We have been warmly participated in the social activity to take the social responsibility.
okay. So far, I think all of you here will make a better understanding on our EV China. Okay. So so that's all for our company introduction now. So let's welcome.
The next show is from our colleague Shelly.
Okay, so Shelly, welcome. Okay. Okay, so today Shelly will share the presentation about high alloy and castings and forgings for us. Okay, thank you. Okay, thank you. Okay, so let's let's look forward to Shelly's presentation about high alloy castings and dental alloy. Okay. Let's welcome.
Hello everyone, this is Shelly from EV China. Welcome to our lecture today about forged alloy and dental alloy. Okay, for camera, part 1, cobalt alloy, part 2, dental alloy. For cobalt alloy, I will introduce daylight force and six. The first is the material for daylight. Daylight is hard alloy that can withstand various types of wear and corrosion and high temperature oxidation. Commonly known as cobalt chlorine tungsten or cobalt-based alloy. Daylight is based on cobalt as the main component. Contains a considerable amount of nickel, chromium, and tungsten. You can see this table is chemical composition for daylight. The first one is daylight 3. For carbide is 2.0 to 0.7%. For magnet is less than 1.0%. For silicon is less than 1.0%. For chromium is 29. to 33%. For tungsten is 11 to 14%. For iron is less than 3.0% and the keyboard is balanced. Next, C94. For carbide is 0.8 to 1.2%. For manganese is less than 1.0%. For silicon is less than 1.1%. For chromium is 28 to 32%. For nickel is less than 3.0%. For tungsten is 5.5 to 15.5%. For iron is less than 3.0% and the cobalt is balanced. C96. For carbide is 0.9 to 1.4%. For manganese is less than 1.0%. For silicon is less than 1.5%. For chromium is 27 to 31%. For tungsten is 3.5 to 5.5%. And the cobalt is balanced. C95. For carbide is 1.1 to 1.7%. For manganese is less than 1.0%. For chromium is 28 to 32%. For tungsten is 7 to 9.5%. And the cobalt is balanced. C920. For carbide is 2.2 to 3.0%. For silicon is less than 2.0%. For chromium is 30 to 34%. For nickel is less than 3.0%. For tungsten is 14 to 18%. For iron is less than 3.0% and the cobalt is balanced. Next, the products from C9 boards and Cs. First one is C9 board. The C9 board is cobalt alloy. The hardness is HRC 45 to HRC 55. The most used material is C920. The second one is C96. The material of the C96 is generally lower than the material of the C9 boards. The material is C93 or A3. Next, some photos from C9 boards and Cs. Next, some videos for C9 boards and Cs. You can see this video is for our project C9 boards. You can see this video is from process for C9 boards. Okay, next, packing photos for C9 boards and Cs. You can see we have two types for packing. One is cutting, the other is wooden box. Next, test report for C9 boards and Cs. You can see the material is A3 or stainless steel. The specification is diameter 31.75 mm. Chemical composition for chromium is 33.79. For nickel is 1.95. For tungsten is 18.1. For cobalt is balance. Physical properties. The hardness is HRC59. Next, different signs for stainless boards and seals. You can see for cobalt alloy boards. Specification. Diameter 15.88 mm. Diameter 19.05 mm. Diameter 22.23 mm. Diameter 23.83 mm. Diameter 25.4 mm. Diameter 28.575 mm. Diameter 31.75 mm. Diameter 34.925 mm. Diameter 38.1 mm. Diameter 42.88 mm. And the diameter 50.8 mm. The material is A920 for cobalt alloy boards. For cobalt alloy 6, such as APILAP 11 to 125. The size of stick is odd diameter 23.32 mm, and the inner diameter is 13.97 mm, and the height is 1.7 mm. APILAP weighs 13 to 175. The size of stick is odd diameter 34.26 mm, and the inner diameter 20.96 mm, and height is 5.7 mm. The material is stainless steel or A3 from cobalt alloy 6. Okay, next, I'd like to show some samples for you. You can see this samples is our products from stainless boards. This one is a big board. The diameter is 50.8 mm. This one, the diameter is 15.88 mm. The material is C920 and the surface is G100. This one is C9C. The material is C93 or A3. The odd diameter is 34.26 mm and the inner diameter is 20.95 mm. and height is 5.7 millimeter. Next, export porcelain boards and seats. We have exported porcelain boards and seats to many countries, such as the USA, UK, Italy, Spain, Brazil, and Australia, and other countries. Our customers have very good feedback for our products. If you have any inquiry for porcelain boards and seats, please follow us our shop. Thank you. Next, part 2, dental alloy. Nickel and cobalt dental alloy. The first name, chemical composition for dental alloy. The casting process of dental alloy parts is investment casting, also known as notch-wax casting method. The basic process is to first make a wax model from wax or plastic. The surface of the wax model is coated with an embedding material to make the casting model, and then the molten alloy is cast into the casting cavity inside, forming a casting. You can see this table is chemical composition for dental alloy. The first one is cobalt chromium dental alloy. For chromium is 27 to 30%. For molybdenum is 5 to 7%. For carbide is 0.2 to 0.26%. For manganese is 0.228 to 2.38%. For silicon is 0.75 to 0.97%, and the cobalt is balanced. This one is nickel chromium dental alloy. You can see for carbide is less than 0.05%. For silicon is less than 1.5%. For chromium is 22 to 26%. For iron is less than 2.0%. For molybdenum is 9 to 11%. And the nickel is balanced. Next, demand description for dental alloy. The market for dental alloy is very broad because of the widespread dental industry. And the demand for dental alloy has increased. As we all know, there are many kinds of dental alloy materials. Today, we show the demand for dental alloy of various materials. You can see this photo is demand description. You can see the first one is nickel dental alloy, accounts for 59% of the work. The second one is cobalt dental alloy, accounts for 31% of the work. The third one is nickel beryllium containing dental alloy, accounting for 7% of the work. And the last one is others, accounting for 3% of the work. Next, some photos for dental alloy. Next, some videos for dental alloy. The first video. You can see this video is from nickel chromium dental alloy. Okay, next video. You can see this video is from cobalt chromium dental alloy. Okay, next, I'd like to show some samples for you. You can see these samples is our products for dental alloy. You can see this one is nickel chromium dental alloy. The diameter is 9.6 millimeter and the length is 10 millimeter. This one is cobalt chromium dental alloy. You can see the diameter is 6 millimeter and the length is 8 millimeter. Okay, if you have any inquiry for dental alloy, please call our shop. Thank you. That's all for my speech now. Thank you for your participation. Welcome to our next lab show. Thank you. Okay, welcome my colleague Helen. Hello, this is Helen. I will introduce the new concept of fine crushing and breeding technology in the industry. Okay, let's start. Based on the theory of flow mill system engineering, this part expounds the comprehensive application of science and technology in the fine crushing and breeding process. And puts forward a new concept of cement and crushing and breeding technology through the analysis of the working conditions and operation of each working part of a flow mill.
你要看你直播，关注你直播镜头，都人都不在里面，直播给看。 怎么扔在这就我管了？
Cement and mining industry are the basic industry in the national economy. They have the criteria of sustainability, large volume, and high energy consumption. Therefore, high efficiency and low consumption are preeminent topics in the cement mining industry. Throughout the domestic and foreign markets, there are large ups and downs and fierce competition, and the ultimate goals of enterprise competition is quality and cost. Therefore, technological upgrading and equipment optimization should be the top priority of current enterprise development. The next is project technology, technical background. Crushing and grading production lines are widely used in the production of meat, cement, electric power, chemical industry, building materials, and other industries. It plays a pivotal and it plays a pivotal and a fundamental role in the traditional manufacturing industry, and is also the main link for many cement and other enterprises to improve efficiency and reduce consumption. After all, items such as gold, silver, copper, iron, and key iron, they need to go through primary crushing, medium crushing, fine crushing, and then through grading process to select fine iron powder. Every year, near 2.4 billion tons of cement, raw materials, and clinker are crushed and ground, and the processing capacity of crushing and the breaking process exceed 6 billion tons, about 1.7 billion tons of coal used in coal-fired powder plants must be crushed before it's injected into the boilers for combustion and powder generation. In 2019, China produced 9.96 million tons of steel, based on the average iron content of 30% iron, 3.3 billion tons of iron alone needed to be crushed and ground every year. Copper, gold, molybdenum, chromium, iron, and other metal mines have a similar production process. The gravel and the sand used in concrete should be broken and finally broken before it can be applied to all kinds of construction projects. Crushing and breeding processes consume about 4 million tons of wear-resistant material every year. The power consumption of crushing and breeding takes up nearly 70% of the whole production process. Therefore, the improvement of crushing and breeding production technology is the main direction for enterprise to achieve energy saving, consumption reduction, and benefit improvement. The second is project technology background. Mistakes of current crushing and breeding process. Ball mill is called low efficiency machine. In fact, it's a misunderstanding. People do not really understand the ball mill. It's a deceived machine in the breeding process. The ball mill has been around for more than 100 years. Over the past 100 years, great changes have taken place in the breeding process. The feeding particle size of the ball mill has changed from about 200 mm incidental production to about 1 mm in modern mass production. Another one about the new concept pushing process. Pushing and breeding production is the main link in the cement production and mine beneficiation, and its power consumption accounts for nearly 70% of the entire production process. Therefore, the improvement of the pushing and breeding production process is the main goal of the enterprise to achieve energy saving, consumption reduction, and efficiency improvement. The significance of the new concept process established the working state of the ball mill under the new material condition and effectively combined with the roller press, vertical mill, and other medial and fine crusher, improve the output, reduce energy consumption, improve the particle flow, optimize the particle structure, and obtain the optimal performance of cement significantly improve the beneficiation yield. Let's look at another. Ball mill ceramic laying plate. Our patented products. We could provide the ball mill system energy theory, and according to the system engineering theory, in the ball mill grading process, make important changes. Design and launch the ceramic plate and metal ball combination to increase our output and reduce consumption. The proportion of ceramic is only about 37% of steel, which can reduce the weight of laying plate by more than 550%, improve the efficiency of ball mill, and reduce the energy consumption of the mill. Ceramic have extremely high wear resistance, greatly reducing the running cost and the maintenance rate of the ball mill. Let's look at this picture. The photo of the ceramic laying plate is white. It's made in ceramic. Significance of the new concept process. The first is establishing the working state of the ball mill under the new material condition. The second is effectively combining it with the roller press. The third is increasing the output and reducing energy consumption, improving particle shape, optimizing particle structure, striving for the highest strength of the cement. Let's look at this picture. A ball mill modified according to the new concept process. Reduce 90% of the ball of the new barrel, which not only reduce the manufacturing cost and accessory of the ball mill, increase the strength of the barrel body, but also eliminate the phenomenon of linkage of powder and the material, and greatly improve the working environment of workers. The preliminary experiment of this project The first is our new concept breeding process has been used commercially on cement mill with diameter of 3.8 and 4.2 meter. Ceramic blading plate is used in industrial application with metal breaking bowl on cement mill with diameter of 3.8 meters. In the cement mill with a diameter of 4.2 in the 13.5 meter. The output of 42.5 grade cement stand is as high as 290 tons, and the power consumption is about 204 degrees per ton. The output is about 200 to 230 tons, and the powder consumption is about 30 to 33 degrees per ton. When the traditional design is used in the same type of mill stand, the ceramic bowl mill cleaning has been used in Tianjin cement factory for more than 16 months. It has been verified by the customer that the design is mature and stable, and the wear-resisting performance is extremely ideal, which determines the development direction of the bowl mill blading board in the future, and it's an export-making product. Let's look the experimental result. In an industrial test of 3.8 and 30 meter diameter cement mill, a single big mill composed of combined self-cementing board-free liner has been successfully run for 7 years. Compared with the traditional mill, the output has been increased by 30%. The power consumption per ton is about 24 kilometers, and more importantly, the service life of wear resistance materials has been increased by more than 50%. In conclusion, the new concept inclusion and grading technology can increase the output of the bowl mill by more than 20%, save about 20% of electricity, and extend the life of wear-resistant materials by more than 50%. So under the new working conditions, the work tasks of the exciting bowl mill have undergone a fundamental change. It's necessary to fully study the bowl mills and use comprehensive technology to improve the effective power of the bowl mill. The bowl breeding theory in bowl mills is of no practical significance. Only the bowl with uniform bowl diameter has the greatest breeding ability. The single chamber mill, composed of a variety of liner with different surface shapes, can greatly increase the output of the mill and greatly reduce the power consumption. The 5 excellent wear resistance materials are the basis of the new concept of crushing and breaking technology. In the ball mill system engineering theory, a ceramic liner and metal balls will be the best combination, and it can effectively reduce hexavalent chromium pollution. In the new concept of the ball mill system engineering, whether it's cement or mines, whether it's a dry or wet grinding process, we do not hesitate to recommend ceramic liners. Okay, that's all. Thank you. Next, our colleague.
不是，那个麦可以放在手里。放第一页是吗？没事。就这样吧，就这样。啊，看见了？没有。1、2，发后才。来，1、2、3。非常好。给你换一个，给你换一个。不是，那个充电，这个是充电。嗯。
平板上没有纸。干嘛呢？
这是168。
Hello everyone, this is Rin. Now, we place started making powder. The powder has animal. Look at the first part. First part, nickel powder. And the two part, aluminum powder. And part 3, copper powder. Part 4, cobalt powder. Now look at the picture. This is the nickel powder. The nickel powder is the nickel powder as the main component in the pure nickel powder and the flat nickel powder. Nickel powder is distilled and produced. Nickel powder is distilled and produced. The powder is made of the high nickel powder. In the process and the element and a steel ball in a ball mill from the technique. Look at the color of the nickel powder. The powder is green and very easy to oxide in the moisture air. How to use the nickel powder? We can use it in the ovens, high temperature and materials and magnetic. Can also be used casted for the biscuit. Now how about the picking of the nickel powder. Pick it with the knife and the bites and close bites or juice. Look at the three picture. This is the nickel powder. It's green.
然后前面的是它的水样东西。对，然后这边是东西。
Look at the
而且在来到我们后期会有变化，
this
外
is
它的
the
都是有变化。
how about picking of the nickel powder? How about the picking of
现
the
在还没有发生，所以我才没有连。
nickel powder? We can pick it with the bites, juice, or close bites. Now this is the taste report of the nickel powder. Now look at the part 2, element powder. Look at the picture. This is the element powder. This powder, we can note, is also called silver powder. This is the silver powder, a small amount of lactate and it to form and foil. They can reset into silly powder. How about the color of the powder? For silver powder 比我深了吧 The powder. How about the color of the powder? The powder is silver white. How to use this powder? We can use this powder in patterns and frameworks. How to painting of the powder? We can painting the powder in dice, bags, and drums. Look at this picture. This is the powder. It's white, silver white. This color. And it's only taken out in the close bites of juice. Look at this is the test report of the powder. Look, part 3, purple powder. This is the purple powder, and this is the purple powder. Purple powder is only have purple, and purple powder has about 40 zinc and 60 powder. How about the yellow, the color
cocoa powder is yellow because it has about 40 things. Look at this picture. This is the white. This is the cocoa powder. It's only have copper. The production price of the cocoa powder is divided into the element and the metal. Now, the most use is in the examination. Now, the color of the cocoa powder is red, and the color of the cocoa powder is yellow. How about the uses of the cocoa powder? Cocoa powder is widely used powder methods and to sealing materials, and cocoa powder has used in the materials and weighing, pricing, and fractation, and so on. How to packing of the powder? We can pack it with the rice bags and clothes bags and drinks. This is the red. The color is red, so it's cocoa powder. Look at this is yellow, so it's cocoa powder. Have about 40 things. Look, this is the test report of the cocoa powder. The cocoa powder is 99.9. And the cocoa powder has copper about 16 and zinc about 40. Part 4. Cocoa powder. The powder is for the preparation of the cocoa powder. How about the color of the cocoa powder? The color of the powder is green. How to use this of the powder? It can use this as the predicate such as segment and high temperature oils and rigid spices and rated method. How to painting the cocoa powder? AC drink or box. Look the picture. This is the cocoa powder. This is how to packing it in box, chips, and so on. Look at the size of the powder. It have means also have another powder. For example,
Mayonnaise powder, cinnamon powder, iron powder, lemon powder, ironing powder, cream powder, zinc powder, and so on nearby. So, do you know honey powder? Thank you.
给你时间点。
Hello, this is Rebecca from EB China. Today I will share about drilling rigs. Let's see the introduction of drilling rigs. So the first is, what is a drilling rig? A rig is a machine used for drilling and drilling, including power equipment and drill pipe, drill bit, from to steel frame tanks. There are two parts for drilling rig: impact hatch and then the rotary hatch. Drilling rig is a machine which is composed of machine using and drilling rigs are machine equipment that drives holes to drill on the ground to obtain geological exploration or mineral resource development. The main function is to drive the drill to break the rock at the bottom of the hole and then run or lift the drill to the hole. It is widely used in constructing railways, highways, bridges, water conservancies, and power. Whereas anchors, small diameter diamond, industrial and civil construction of energy, geological exploration, ground source drilling, compound drilling, and drilling operation. This is the composition of drilling rig. The first is lifting system. Second is a rock rig system. The third is circulatory system. The fourth is power system. The five is transmission system. The sixth is control system. The seventh is base. The eighth is the manufacturing equipment. First, we can know about what is the
core drilling machine. Core drilling rig is a kind of core drilling equipment which is mainly used for the survey and exploration of metal and non-metal solid materials. In addition, it can also be used for engineering, geological survey, hydrological survey, oil and gas field survey, and exploration of the water well drilling. Because the core drilling rigs require relatively complete, non-contained and non-stable formation rock samples, the core drilling rigs are all rock drilling rigs. According to the structure of the rotator, the core rig can be divided into three categories: vertical shaft type, rotary cable type, and mobile rotor type. This is three kinds of drilling rigs. You can see this picture. Next is the introduction of the above the picture about GYQ 200 and the GYQ 200A and the GYQ 200B drilling rigs. These three rigs are suitable for industrial and casino drillings and engineering geological surveys such as highways, railways, bridge foundations, dam sites, water conservation, wells prospecting, shallow oil and gas mining, total ventilation, and large foundation type home construction project. Depending on the formation, drills such as diamond, cemented carbon, and plastic can be used for drilling. This model has advantages of compact structure, light weight, small size, and good disposability. These two rigs are one of the rare and ideal equipment to meet the needs of the market. This is about the main feature. A more reasonable speed range has been selected, with 8 speed levels concentrated in the speed change, neutral self-locking, large low-speed control, and wide use range. It is suitable for both engineering, geological survey, and diamond core drilling. The rig has 2 surf speeds to facilitate safe handling and controls. The third is rotary truck manual ball, traction self-separate for users to choose. GYQ 200 is a manual ball clamping, reliable clamping, does not cut the active drill roll, and can be resolved without stopping. GYQ 200A and GYQ 200B are two which can implement both 6-side active drill roll or rolled drill roll. Equipped with enough instruments, it is capable to grasp the situation in the hole. There are fewer operating handles, so rolling out is more reasonable, and the operation is flexible and reliable. Fire is the double plate now with lost friction touch and its advantage, which is flexible in opening and closing, and convenient for adjustment and use. The 6 you can see is the virtual hull of GYQ 200B drilling rig is large, rich equipment. And the drill pipe can be used for road trips, drying operation. The 7 is that equipped with a front and back moving cylinder. The operator moves back to work by 465, which brings a lot of convenience to drilling tools. The rig is light in weight, compact in structure, and easy to assemble and disassemble. It can be used for drilling in hills or mountains. You can see what is on the PPT is the high chart. It has 3 pictures. This is the material of the GYQ 200 and 208, 200 feature ranges. It's composition. When you want to buy our street rigs, you must know the price. So we list up the price on the PC so you can see this. The GYQ 200 drilling rig XW price is USD 7,283 cents. With the electric motor, XW price is USD 1,700 and the cents. The GYQ 208 drilling rig is of Asian XW price at USD 208 rig with electric monitor XW price is USD 331 cents. The GYQ 200 rig with diesel engine XW price is USD 153 cents. GYQ rig with electric monitor XW price is USD 893 cents. What you can see on the PPT is the GYQ 380 units. Yes, this is a beautiful one. We can see this is location is GYQ 380. For the GYQ 380 aging XW price is 109 and 42 380 rig with electric motor XW price is USD 9,496 cents. You can see on the PPT, you can see a picture of the MDL 150H Calibra Discovery. This is painted with blue. It is a composition of the MDL 150H drilling rig. You can see the weight, power, overall rotor candidate speed. You can see everything run on this picture. And for the MDL 150H drilling rig, its standard price is USD 14 411.21%.
就是在进不来之前这两年我们那个改造，对，都进不来，外面的车都进不来。
What you can see on the picture is the XY form drilling rig. It is painted with orange.
是来了就面了。你车没找吗？我们这是业，这边不是车。业主的话都只能停1辆车。
This is your composition.
你要不赶紧那个
XY form powerful drilling rig.
哦，一会儿走是吧？走到那你这样走的话，那你这样子，你把车你看去井边那边那个路边儿有没有还有停车位？
4100 diesel engine. Electric price is USD 146 for the XY4 drilling rig with Y225S. For electric motor, EXW price is USD 1.64%.
你知道它上停在啥地方？有的车停不了，我们
What you can see on the PPT is XY44A drilling rig.
那你这样的，你现在
Next.
这边
Also, this is the composition of the XY44A drilling rig.
现在几点？
The first for the XY44A drilling rig with 4100 diesel engine EXW price is USD 2123%. For the XY44A drilling rig with Y225M electric motor EXW price is USD 2,126%. Okay, when you want to buy our drilling rigs, you may have some questions. First is what kind of geology or soil is there at your site? As it has soil, sand, and rock. Two is what is your specific application for water wear, call simply or others. Third is do you require to equip electric motor or diesel engine with your drilling rigs? The fourth is what is the depth and the diameter of your drilling hose? So we can give you the answers, the depth and diameter of your drilling hole. GYQ 200 is 180 meter minus 130. GYQ 208 minus 200 meters. Among the 100 to the 150, GYQ 38 is 300 meters about 150. Thank you. Thank you. This is all our drilling rigs.
我们准备一下，看要不要开会。
你咋今天才给你？
开会。
在这搞。
什么脑子？
this is draw. Also, we can show our hatred and receipts. Yes. About our hatred recipients still that including mathematical tasks. For example, retrieving the trees, retrieving the basket, retrieving the central paper casting tube, retrieving the radio tube, and retrieving the fence ruler, retrieving the grid bar, retrieving the snack toy, and many kilos. Okay, now other neutral tasks. This goes about the children with ADHD, online still with a high load and included hectic, super, and temper Our achievement is to adapt including trace flavors, reading chips, furniture, single tube, with bar, and so on. Like these photos, missing our sample single items, achieving the trace, and that including the body part. And these photos, this trace will use us lost was casting progress, and that's the picture is our living model. We also call it pattern. And the picture 2 is our lost was models. And picture 3 is our casting after casting the trace. And with photo 4 is our finished displays. And we do packing and we will ship it. Now with this, retrieving the trace. Material and positive solid. 4, 8, 7, 9. And this material is very popular and not temper and more than 1,200 temper. And we also have another shape treatment trace. And I will show you a small symbol like this. This also is a heat treatment trace. And we can do this piece. And we can move this finish with RA12.5. That means that we use the material as lost was casting progress. And this is very small, and the standard only is 400 and 400. The technique is about 50 millimeter, and also we do some marks in our trees like this, that including the computer name, maturity grade, and his number. Yes, and we also have some bigger trees. Like some 600 and 400, and the height is 15 millimeter. And we also have some 900 millimeter and 600 millimeter, and the height is about 50 millimeter trace, and that is very popular for our treatment trace. And we also have a treatment basket like this photos. This is our basket, and we use the progress also in the lost was casting progress. And sometimes the side is very high, so we need to use it ready to assemble them. Like these photos, the picture in our marketing, and that with the brochure is information. And the last picture in our packing, and they have trash and set and this and trees. And this. And I also have a small symbol in our office. Okay, I also can show that like this. This is very easy to create, and we can look if the parts have the side like this. This is the basket. And we don't have this sand and that with the trace. And about this basket, and the long side is about 400 millimeter, and the right side is about 25 millimeter, and the high side is about 45 millimeter, and the technique is about 6 millimeter, and very easy. And we also do marks like this. This is his number, and sometimes we also marks the maturity grade and more information in our products. We also treatment twist. Next, we should go over the 600 and 400 and 400 treatment twist and basketball. And we also have the 600 and 600 and 900 millimeters of basketball and basket and trace. Yes. And about our treatment material, we often use the material special and ASTM A297, like this list, material list. And this material study and including grade and HF. That's HF, like 9 global and 9 nickel, and HH, in 25 global and 30 nickel. And another material is HK that have 25 global and 20 nickel. And then HU material also together 19 global and 39 nickel. And sometimes we also have some HP material. And that is 26 global and 35 nickels. And this particular is all material, and that also have another name, like some one called 4848, one called 4865, one called 4849. And one called 2 called 4879. And we also sometimes call it in a casting style, like SS304 or SS300 and SS316 and more. And this picture is our drawings about the round children basket. And yes, this is our picture. And we can look at and including 6 items. Like this, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and that having a part number is 32 PCS. And this is also in and next including the 4 small basket and with a simple thing. And we can load the OD side about 950 millimeters. And this also in our small trace. And this we use the material in writing and material in same as the SS steel, like this picture. And that looks and we also have some another treatment in the parts and parts 3 is video tubes like this photos or photos in tube, and this photos the material we use the material and the centrifugal we use the simplified casting programs. And we can make this photos. The photo is our child shot finish, and this film and the bottom are in 25 and the 23 and our check our OP side. And we open the left ones progress to make our elbow. And we check our OP side, then we will pick up like this photos, or we will essentially by reading like this. This is video chips, also including elbow to the centrifugal casting tube and another parts like this. And about our another part in for this word, and this you may win set when this word is including when two and two sharp the end like these photos. And we also use the centrifugal casting to make the tube and make the 42 grams to make the shot. And then we were wearing that like the photo with, and we were to shape in the outside. That's the picture 2. And then we will check out the size, finish size, and our material grade. Sometimes we also need to check out the hardness and more. If all check it pass, we can packing them and ship it. And these photos, this is our check our small size and our some report, and including the material report and size report. Thank you.